To make the bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits, I'm going to put my bacon in this bacon tray that's going to go straight in the microwave. So you have to eyeball it when you cook it in the microwave. The more bacon you have on this tray, the longer it's going to take to cook it. And some people like theirs a little done and crispy, and some people don't. So it all depends on how you like your bacon. But it drains the grease right in here, and you can use that grease for other things if you like for example, if you want to do gravy. But an 8-year-old girl invented this little gadget here, and so I've had this thing for years. And I just don't cook bacon any other way anymore because it's just simple. Because if I cook bacon in a pan, grease is going to just pop all over my face, and you can easily get burned. And it actually tastes really good to cook bacon this way. So this is the way I like to do it. Okay, so I got my bacon here on the tray, so I'm about to put it in the microwave. I'm going to start it out probably about 2 minutes, and I probably have to put it on a little bit longer than that, but you have to eyeball it. And then once it gets done, I'm just going to, put a paper towel on a plate and let the rest of the grease drain. But this captures a lot of the grease right here. So much healthier for you to do it this way. Okay, so these 4 pieces of bacon are done. You can see all that grease down there. It's really hot right now. So I actually had to wind up cooking it at about 3 minutes and 40 seconds. But like I said, eyeball it. Every microwave is different. And another way you can actually get the grease out of the bacon, which I do this on top of letting it drain on a paper towel on a plate, is to get a paper towel, a couple pieces, and squeeze the bacon and squeeze the grease out of it, whatever's left over. A friend of mine taught me to do that to kind of help on cholesterol and stuff like that. And it really works, but just be careful and try not to burn yourself when you do that. After I did that, squeeze the bacon in the paper towel, you can still see a lot of grease in there. So it actually works. So, I used 3 sheets of paper towel and folded them up and squeezed the grease. And then this is what my 4 pieces of bacon look like. So I've got all this grease from the bacon. Make sure you never ever put it down a drain. I did that one time when I was a kid. And I thought my dad was going to really kill me because it actually stopped up the drain. And I can't remember if he hired a plumber to fix it or what. But I got in trouble for that. And I learned my lesson not to ever do it again. So what you can do is just use this grease for a lot of different things. Like I said, you can use it for gravy if you want. Or other things, or I keep like a jar, and I put my leftover grease in that, and then once it gets full, I just throw it away usually. But yeah, you can reuse this grease for other things. Just do not, I repeat, do not put it in the drain in your sink. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again.